Hello, this is group number 3, presenting on restaurant selection for a Thousand Minds project. The first step is to set up. To set up, we picked our model name, which we set as restaurants. The second step is to pick our activity mode, which we put the third button down as selection considering other factors too. Later in the process, we filled in the questions for the decision step. In this portion of the process, we picked our criteria, what we felt was our priorities in starting a business, such as the volume of traffic in the area, the amount of parking space, and the consistency of the product served, closeness to customers, interaction, and more. We then compared our alternatives such as Buffalo Wild Wings, Applebee's, and On the Border with all of the variables put in place. We ranked our alternatives with other restaurants in place such as Texas Roadhouse, Chili's, and Famous Dave's. This also includes the total annual cost, employee turnover, confidence rent, and visibility. Our last step is the selection, and the selection would be the highest ranked that we felt had the best qualities that we want to pursue. Thank you for listening.